The color of the frame is gunmetal. On its temple, there's a protective sleeve to make sure the glasses don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a rectangular shape. On its temple, you'll find the Prada logo. And the temple tips are black. For both sides. You'll also find the Prada logo engraved on its bottom left lens. On its inner right temple, you'll again find the Prada logo, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Prada hard case, a Prada gift box, and a black Prada cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.